Okay viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sentongo Mbarak, and if it is your very first time to see this video, kindly subscribe and enable the notification bell so that you get all my videos when I upload. I really want to thank all my subscribers for always coming back to see my videos and comment my videos, and I say that what you are doing is very good. I really thank you for that. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how we are going to turn this deep cycle battery into a lithium battery. We're going to cut it and we put lithium batteries inside, and we see whether they can work as the same as lead acid batteries. The other thing we saw that this deep cycle battery, when we cut it, we saw that inside they put glasses, and some of them they are fake. They only put two plates, that is negative and positive plates, only two plates. But today I'm going to change it from its state. It is deep cycle, but I'm going to put it inside lithium batteries. So kindly follow this video and you see how we are going to do this.